south central Alabama, southeastern Conecuh County in south central Alabama, western Covington County in south central Alabama, until 8:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:33 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 4 miles southwest of Red Level, or 10 miles west of Andalusia, moving southeast at 10 miles per hour. Another severe thunderstorm was located 5 miles northwest of Brooklyn and was moving southeast at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Andalusia, River Falls, Red Level, Heath, and Gad. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning